What is good, YT? It's your boy, and we're back with another video. Today we're going to be doing an install video on the Genesis, guys. We're going to be installing LED fog lights. I copped these from Amazon. There's a Zone Car 4,000 lumen 6,000K LED fog lights. $17.99 plus tax, shipped to my home. 1 day shipping, guys. I got Prime, so cool little mod. This is what you get inside the packaging. You get the little manual and you get the LED fog lights, guys. No extra modules needed for this, no extra ballast resistors, nothing like that. Just a quick and simple replacement. You're gonna need to get H8 bulbs for a BK2 Genesis Coupe, guys. I got a 2014 Genesis Coupe. It takes H8 bulbs. You're just gonna look for H8 LED fog lights or fog light bulbs, just like these. And it's just a simple swap, guys, from stock, and hopefully it gives us a little bit extra better visibility, guys. And yeah, man, let's get into it before the sun goes down. I just got off work, so let's handle these real quick. We're gonna do one side only, show you how it's done. It's gonna be the same for both sides, guys. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it on one side, and then you guys can do it on the other side all by yourselves, and I'll show you the difference between stock and the aftermarket ones, guys. So let's get it. All right, guys, so you guys are gonna turn your wheel in all the way, and it's gonna expose this little shielding that covers in the fog lamp, and you're gonna take it off with a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the pin, and it'll let you get into there, and it'll expose the fog lamp, guys. So let's get into it. Let me grab a tool real quick. Perfect. Got the rivet out. It exposes this cap, guys. If you guys can see this cap, you just twist it. This is the dust cover, guys, for the fog light, and it exposes the H8 bulb right there. You're gonna disconnect it. First, you're gonna twist it to pop it out. Boom, just like that. You're gonna go ahead and disconnect it, guys. Boom, just like that, and you take out the H8 bulb. And you're gonna plug in the new one. Here's the new one, guys. Go ahead and plug it in. Just like that. Now, you can't really see this part, but you're gonna put it in. Just like that. You twist in. You put your dust cover on. There it is. Boom. Perfect. And you're just gonna seal this up. Put the rivet back in. And you're done. Push that back in, and you're good, guys. And then you do the other side. Twist the tire all the way the other way, and install the other one. I'll show you the difference. So it looks a lot better, guys. You guys can tell just by looking at that. It's a lot brighter. Nice and white. Damn, might be whiter than my HIDs, guys. Good. I'm happy. For 20 bucks, I can't complain. Alright, guys, that's it for that video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a quick little mod. Just cop some, guys. It makes the visibility a lot better at night. It does look better aesthetically, in my opinion. And, you know, who doesn't like bright white lights, guys? It just looks a lot better, in my opinion. So do go ahead and cop that on Amazon, guys. It's only 20 bucks, bro. It's better than going to the store and buying bulbs, because if you go to an auto parts store to buy bulbs, they're fucking expensive. For 20 bucks, they're LED upgrades, and they just plug and play, boom, and you're good to go. Don't remember, guys, get H8 bulbs if you guys have a BK2 Genesis Coupe. I'm not sure about the BK1, guys, so you guys would have to do your own research. But yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys did, hit me down below with some comments. Constructive criticism is always welcome, guys. I do appreciate you guys. We're on our way to 100 subscribers, so please subscribe, guys, and share this video if you guys enjoyed it. And hit it with a like, guys. You already know what's up. It's your boy. Till next time. Peace.